Welcome to the Fenway floor plan. This beautiful one-story home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a large open-concept kitchen with a walk-in pantry and a cozy dining room, and a generous family room with a fireplace, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor patio. The master suite of the Fenway includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower, an optional soaker garden tub, dual vanities, and 2 huge walk-in closets. This incredible new home also features a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Nashville to offer everything's included homes, the Fenway also includes all of the energy features, kitchen appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our Premier Nashville communities, visit lennar.com.